Looking for the best breathalyzers. In this video we look at some of the top 3 breathalyzers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. Number 3. AlcoMate Premium AL7000 Professional Breathalyzer with Prism Technology. Approved for law enforcement, US Coast Guard approved. Pre-calibrated replaceable sensor module technology. Second generation reinforced sensor modules. Easy replace sensor panel. Pros. Prism technology helps reduce inaccuracies, as it uses replaceable sensor modules instead of manual calibration. Single button use, small design. Cons. Expensive. Slow to boot and read. Users have reported up to 2 minutes to get results. Beep is very loud. Customer service could be better. Bottom line. While it has some nice features, it's also pricey and slow, and you may end up frustrated if you need customer service. Number 2. Aioxin Portable Professional Digital Breathalyzer. Easy to take anywhere. Height accuracy. Smart and fast result. Energy saving auto off. 90-day money back guarantee. Pros. Offers easy to use one-button operation in a compact design that has a handy compartment to fit 5 mouthpieces. Comes with 10 mouthpieces. Cons. Occasional inaccurate readings, but many more users brag about its consistency. Has a loud beep. Bottom line. A must-have for anyone looking for an affordable breathalyzer that's portable, reasonably accurate, and includes mouthpieces. Number 1. BACtrack S80 Professional Breathalyzer. Number 1 rated breathalyzer by Wirecutter. Practical and easy to use. The most accurate breathalyzer available. Approved in all 50 states. 1-year warranty. Pros. Stands out for its user-friendly single-button operation and consistently accurate results. Cons. The sensors in this breathalyzers need to be recalibrated once a year. Bottom line. The price aside, this breathalyzer is one of the top-performing units on the market. It's well worth the extra investment. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.